Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do voice typing on the Google Docs mobile. So here I've already on the Google Docs apps and I'm going to start by opening a new document. So click on the plus icon and click on the new docs file. Okay, so to do the auto speech to text, what you need to do is enable it on your keyboard or on your phone. You need to enable the microphone feature, and after that you can just click on the microphone icon on your keyboard or on your screen. So my keyboard is this, and the microphone is here or in here. So here I'm going to start by clicking on the microphone icon. Okay guys, so this is how, you can use the voice typing on Google Docs mobile, period. Okay, so to pause, you just need to click on the microphone icon again like this, and it will stop detecting your voice. So for the punctuation, you need to say it like comma, period, or question mark, like that. So when you, or if you want to speak again, just click on the microphone icon again. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.